kuti madwiti twiti kamejazia katikati
reaction.
Boom! What's the word to Mr. Bartire Vlogs, aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. You know the vibes already, feel me? Like, if you're new here, let me say it for you. Comment on this video to see your comment right there in this video, like post. Subscribe to the channel because it's going to be the most reaction you ever watching in your life. Say it matters and subscribe from now so you don't miss another video from your boy Bartire Vlogs. You feel me? Anyway, so I have a song today. Yo, y'all know me not go with the name of blood. Like, I don't go with these names today. So me I say someone name MASAUTI. Listen, look at this. Anyways, this song it's been recommended. You feel me? Like, hold on, let me look at the brother name. This brother comments on every single video that I post. You feel me? In the comment section, he's been recommend the song for a long while. And every time I reply, I say, yeah, brother, I see the comment. You see me? I say, Black Knight 254. You see me? I say, big up yourself, my G. You see me? You comment on every fucking video I post, my G. You've been to support me for a minute. So guess what? Let me see what you're recommending them. Let me see if you got the same visuals as me. Because obviously watch all the videos them say, no, I'm like to see already, don't. Alright, then let's go. Run through.
IPEPETE, IPEPETE IPEPETE, IPEPETE IPEPETE, IPEPETE
So I'm like my subscribers them, man. I said I'm like my subscribers them, man. Yeah, man, I'm fucking my subscribers them, man. Go on.
MASAUTI Kenyan boy 001 Kiuno bila mfupa unavyokata.
And I don't want to mess up no more video I react to now, right? This is Kenya, right? We don't want to mess up no more because once we slip up one time, everybody in the comment section, this is not Nigeria, this is Kenya, this is Tanzania, and like, I want to make sure I get it right, you know. Alright, let's go.
Malkia palipupa, wako nimedata. Sura changa changa, ngozi ya kokobata. Shepu mkalisi ya sanga, yani swadata. Mama, wangu boy.
We soon do a 1 to 10 rating, you know, but it's okay, we'll enjoy the video now.
Yo, utaupeleka puta. Amanita kukosa. Signora mi amor, my mama sita. So karibu come closer. Katoto bisi kuti kuti. Madwiti twiti. Kameja katikati. Yani tiki tiki. Kalivyo katamu yani keki keki. Madwiti twiti.
You see that orange, the orange where I hide run around power and around place around there, so. Wow.
Speedy me and missy funky breaky. Yuki chiki chiki. Where mama? Pepete, ipepe, pepete, ipepete ukinama. Pepete, ipepe, pepete. Where mama? Pepete.
I'm telling you about the orange where I hide run I park around one place. What am I telling you about the orange I hide run one power around one place? What am I telling you about the one that the orange right, so? Go on.
Ipepe, pepete, ipepete ukichutama. Pepete, ipepe, pepete. Kenyan boy, yeah. Ipepete, ipepete, pepete, ipepete, 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 pepete, ipepete. Takufikisha hadi unapotaka, basi ongeza majonjo. Leo taratibu mimi sina garaka, mpaka majogo. I love the way you got it for me, daddy. You turn me, oh. Fundi wako wa mapenzi chumbani. Mandingo ndingo, oh. Nikogeleka msumari kwa nyundo ya komeo, oh. Nizungushie kausukani. Drive me loco, oh. Katoto bisi kuti kuti. Madwiti twiti. Kamejazia katikati. Yani tiki tiki. Kalivyo katamu yani keki keki. Madwiti twiti. Speedy me and missy funky breaky. Yuki chiki chiki. Hey mama. Pepete, ipepe, pepete, ipepete ukinama. Pepete.
Well, I'm myself too much. I'm not telling you to like the video. Like the video. Like the video now. You can't enjoy the rest of it. You not like the video, brother. You have to make me know say you like the Bumbuckler video. Like the video. Since I want me for weird, me all the vibes a little bit because I just like, enjoy the body's reaction and the planet and just come on, man. Show some love, bruh. Alright, big up yourself. Go on.
IPEPETE, where mama? IPEPETE, IPEPETE, IPEPETE ukichutama. IPEPETE, IPEPETE.
Hey. You see mama right there, so hold on. You see mama, you see that one here? Don't play with she. You see me I say, mama say, hey, I'm not to be played with you, I'm going to take over the whole video for myself. You see me I say, go on. Akatika na ingoma noma. Na ingoma noma. Akatika na ingoma noma. Na ingoma noma. Akatika na ingoma noma. IPEPETE na ingoma noma. Akatika na ingoma noma. IPEPETE na ingoma noma. IPEPETE, 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 IPEPETE. That's it. Yeah, man. What's that good local vibes? Every guy too a blood clot, man. Every guy, alright then, no man. But yo, it was a good recommendation. Big up yourself, my G. Thanks for recommending this song. Obviously, you see me enjoy myself. I know say you enjoy the reaction. So why say for the now? Just recommend some more song. And keep liking the video so more people find the channel. You understand? That's the only way we're gonna grow. You see me? Let's get to it. I'ma see you on another video. If you want to watch some more videos today, go check out my other channel at Tarek Reacts. So post every single day over there. And also go check me out on Instagram at Tarek Vlogs and also Tarek Reacts. And make sure someone go follow me on TikTok. You see me? I say Tarek Reacts. I'm not to use TikTok, but I'm going to start using it because I don't know. You see me? So go over there. You see me? Run go over TikTok right now. Tarek Reacts. Post a bad video for you to watch right now. Run it. And any clip you take from the videos, people, and you want to post on TikTok, tag me in it. Yeah. I'm going to repost it. Know the vibe. We're out of here. Peace.